How to reinstall keyboard driver in Windows. What is up guys, in this tutorial we're going to see how you can easily reinstall your keyboard driver in Windows. First off, what you're going to have to do is see if your keyboard is working fine. You can do this on any where you can type text. Now to actually check, you want to go to the search bar and search for Device Manager. Open it up, and once you open it up, you're going to have to find keyboards. If you have any external keyboards, you will find multiple lists over here. I only have one built-in keyboard in my laptop, so I'm only able to see this one. I can just right click on it and then go to Properties. Here, as you can see, it is plugged into the keyboard port. Manufacturer standard keyboards. I can go to Driver. Here you can see your driver details. It will show you the driver date. Now it will show you the driver version as well. So all you have to do here is update the driver. You can see other details about this over here, like your device description, and you'll find different events here along with the description as well. I can go to driver and then go to driver details and click on OK. And all you have to do is click on update driver, search automatically. If it says the best driver is already installed, then in order to reinstall the driver, you are first going to have to uninstall this. Right click on it, click on uninstall device. If you're sure, click on yes, uninstall, and then it's going to ask you to restart your PC. Now you don't have to do anything to reinstall it. You just basically go to the start menu, restart your device, and the laptop's automatically going to reinstall all of its required driver. And there you go, that's pretty much it. If you found the tutorial helpful, like the video down below, subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.